welcome to another edition of Nasdaq Spotlight Live here at the Microsoft Ignite Conference in Orlando, Florida. I'm your host, Anna Gonzalez, and joining me now is Ryan Neiman, who is the president of Binary Tree. Ryan, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Anna.
So tell us a little bit about what you do and what Binary Tree does.
Well, Binary Tree is a global company focused on helping companies move to the Microsoft cloud. We've been in business for over 25 years and provide the most reliable and predictive path to the Microsoft cloud. And then once you're out there, as you do any kind of merger and acquisition activity, then we help you with the interoperability of those two tenants and do a migration to yet another tenant within Microsoft. So it's been an exciting time here with all the merger and acquisition activity.
And so what are you looking forward to at the conference this week?
Well, we have the pleasure of meeting with a number of companies that we've worked with in the past that come by and visit. Our partners are, of course, here. We continue to develop and build on our Microsoft partnership, and we have new prospects that we continue to see that stop by the booth, learn more about our products and services and how we can help them. So it's a great lead generation event for us.
Yeah, and I can tell it's Monday. This is going through Thursday. I mean, things are just buzzing right now.
Well, and we've got some excitement going on at our booth as well. We're giving away a Pac-Man machine, which is bringing a lot of nostalgia. So people are stopping by, hanging out at the booth, and enjoying the new theme this year.
Yeah. So tell me about some projects that you're working on now that are really driving you, exciting you.
Well, we're investing in new products and solutions where our customers are going. So many of them are having challenges around Azure and how they work with the Azure environment. So we have some new projects underway that can't wait to release later on this year. Specifically, yes, TV preview. But a lot of our customers are adopting the Azure environment and looking for ways to better plan, move, and manage once they're out there. And so we've got some new solutions that we're working on that's been burning the midnight oil around the office.
Oh yeah, I love those kinds of projects. So you mentioned the company's been around 20 years, right? So
25.
25. Congratulations.
Thanks.
That's huge. So things have changed in the last 2 years. So tell me a little bit about that evolution. What have you seen really change over the last 25?
Well, now, just being here at the Microsoft event, the first thing that comes to mind is really the focus on people, maybe a little bit less than the technology. So the mantra of powering people globally to do more, I really enjoy that because you really see the impact that Microsoft Technologies has on people, on the way that they work day to day, the way that they communicate, the way that they collaborate. So that's changed, I think, just from a go-to-market perspective, and I really appreciate that. It really focuses more about how we can do that as teams or as companies or individuals, and the impact on any number of different sectors, whether it's energy, the environment, or healthcare, for instance.
Right. And when you think about where we're headed next, what really excites you?
Well, that's interesting. We're right next to a booth that has a lot of home automation.
Oh, yeah.
And it was a little project that I had this summer, and so it's exciting to see that technology become very pervasive within your home environment and the automation and the Internet of Things. And so I really see that proliferating over the next couple of years, and just, whether it's wearable technologies or different ways that people can interface with technology and make their lives better in some fashion.
All right, we're going to switch gears a little bit, go to our lightning round. You ready for this?
Sure, go ahead.
All right, what app can you not live without?
Oh, wow. Well, the first thing that leapt to mind is Dashlane. It's an app that helps manage passwords, and so I learned as I went through it that I was managing well over 100 different passwords, from finance to travel, and with having a son go off to college, it's been invaluable just to be able to share some passwords to allow him to have access to things like Amazon or things like Netflix or what have you. And
the essentials.
The essentials, yes, exactly. So that's what comes to mind. Dashlane is a great app.
So what would you say the coolest piece of technology is that you use in the office?
Well, definitely Teams. That's the latest that we are adopting more and more. We're using it for all of our meetings, ways to share documents and collaborate more effectively. My support team is using Teams almost exclusively just so that they're more familiar with it. My product team is, again, using Teams exclusively, just so they have a better understanding of it. And we're seeing that our clients are using it more and more. So that's the first thing that comes to mind, and I know it's a hot topic here at the event this week.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially as you think about the future of work and more employees wanting to be remote, that we need a way to be able to collaborate. I mean, sometimes it's hard enough when you're in the office, to be able to share files. So making those small pain points and removing them is huge.
And then to have the power of Microsoft technologies behind that, it really becomes an empowering tool for my team.
Yeah, that's great to hear. So what do you like to do when you're not working?
I like to snowboard. I like to fly fish. I live in Denver, Colorado, so there's some great outdoor activities.
Yeah. And Ryan, as we start to wrap up here, for people who are watching and thinking, I want to be in Ryan's position one day, running a company for 25 years, what advice do you have for that?
You know, the first thing that comes to mind is really being relentless on the pursuit of your goals. Staying focused, identify what's important to you, and staying unrelenting on some of those goals, because other people will quit, but if you don't quit, you'll make it.
Those are good words to wrap up on. Ryan, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Anna.
And thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more conversations right here from Microsoft Ignite.